Alright guys, welcome back to Soai, and today I'm super excited because I love trying new things that I've never tried before. In today's video we're going to be watching the movies twice. One today, one tomorrow, but the experience is going to be different. Now of course in New York or in the US you can go to the AMC theaters and watch movies in 3D, IMAX, whatever you want to call it, several different ways. But today is going to be a little bit more interesting because at the first part of the video we're going to be watching movies in the park. So we're going to be watching movies in the park. I'll put all the information in the description box, whether, the cost for it, the times. But the park opens at 5 o'clock, so you can go out there and you can picnic and you can set up. And then the movie starts at 8 p.m. I'm currently now waiting on a friend to get here so we can go and do this. But yeah, super excited for that. We might grab a bite before, I don't know. New York is a very big city with a lot of people who like doing these things. So we gotta make sure that we can catch everything as early as possible, get a nice seat, and watch the movie. The movie that we're gonna be watching is gonna be the, what's it called again? The Incredible Mr. Ripley, or The Amazing Mr. Ripley. Fun fact, I watched that movie maybe 2 months ago and I absolutely enjoyed the movie. But we all know, watching movies is all about the experience, whether it's who you're with, the crowd, how they react to it. But in this case, in the first part of the video, it's gonna be all about the atmosphere. The temperatures have risen in New York City, so people are looking for things that they can do with their friends and family in the outdoors. All right, so I'm gonna try to find my friend really quick. She not too long got off the train, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I see her. All right, guys, friend found. So we are gonna, I don't know. A friend of mine said to me, she said, hey, go early because, these people in America, they love things like these. They will go there and make a whole day of it. They might go there and start playing Uno, do picnics, do romantic things before the movie even starts. So they'll be there from 5. So we're kind of skeptical in terms of getting seating. I'm hungry. I haven't really eaten, but that's a lie. I did eat. So, but I'm getting hungry though. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go to the park. The time is now, it's 4:07. The park opens at 5. So we're gonna go to the park, see how it's situated, see how many people might be there or wanted to go there. And then from that point, we will figure it out whether we want to come back into this area, grab something to eat, and then take it to to the park, and we'll figure it out, man. But like I said, it's warm out, it's beautiful. Yo, I'm from a very beautiful country, Jamaica. Beautiful rivers, beautiful beaches, people, all that. But there is just something about New York City that I absolutely love. I don't know if it's just the excitement of everybody that's around, how they're just so excited to take pictures and send it back to friends and family back home. I don't know, but I just love the architecture. I just love the cityscape. Anyway, I'll catch you guys at the park and I'll tell you what that's like. All right, so we've made it into Bryant Park. Seems like a pretty small park, so I would say ensure that you get here on time, because it's not like Central Park where it's just like huge and massive. It's not that big. It's not that big. Okay, so it's not that small. That's what she said. So the field, I could see it's about maybe half or 3/4 of a soccer field or a football field. So it's a pretty good size. I did ask one of the attendants, you know, what time was a good time, and she said last week wasn't so packed. This week it might not be so packed because of the weather. It's pretty hot out. So I asked her if 6 o'clock, if we got here by 6, if it would still be okay, and she said, yeah, you know, it shouldn't be too many people. So yeah, I think we can go back into the city to grab something to eat, or behind me inside the park you do have little street food things like, you know, juices, strawberries, desserts, things like that. Nothing right now is really standing out to me that I think I would want to eat. That might be like intermission or movie snacks. I think I might go for it then. But yeah, we're gonna go back deeper into Manhattan so we can well, somebody told me it's Galhattan, so yeah, we're going deeper into Galhattan and get something a little bit more filling to eat.
It's 3 8-ounce fruit-flavored margaritas, all on the same deal there for $16.99, which is like the deal of the century. So that's a beauty. We also have some beautiful light sangrias in case something light and fruity would be more your way.
Let me just say, his voice is sent from heaven. It sounds like he should be on the radio. I kid you not. The whole time I was just like, keep announcing who scored in the touchdown on that game. Like, he got that voice, man. But anyway, I don't know what I want. I was just listening to the tones of the voice. I didn't even hear what he said. Having this beer-dyed crab.
And here you are, my lady. Thanks so much. All right, so got back just in time. We made a quick stop by Annie's, and bro, people. It's like a bunch of people out here. It is now, what time is it? Let me give you guys the accurate time. It's 6:40 p.m. and there's a whole heap of people out to watch the movies. I like it this way. I'm glad that it's not empty, because nothing is better than watching a movie and there's a lot of people with, you know, the oohs and the ahs and the laughing, stuff like that. It just makes a movie way better. So we're here, situated, and I'm about to enjoy this movie for the third time.
I'm not gonna lie, this is a little vibe still. It's a little vibe. You know, we're like an hour before the movie starts. And I definitely prefer this than going to a movie theater. If you are in New York, especially in the summer months, make sure you guys check it out. It is free. It's a vibe. Just bring your blanket, you know, whatever to put on the grass, whatever. And bring some food. I would advise that. Make sure you pack like a picnic bag or something. I think I might come here again for another one of these movie things. Bring a picnic bag, and I would say come here be ready by at least 5:36 and just enjoy the day until the movie starts. You'll get a better seat, and yeah, but we got lucky. I'm kind of for general other thing. I tell two people to get up. I say, listen, I'm gonna get up now. I am ready for my seat. Lift them up, and here we are. Vibes.
Plus has more of what you want to stream. Wow, I love it.
All right, so the movie is about to start, starting exactly at 8 p.m. Let's go!
Paramount.
Very badly. Oh, I love Italian money. It's so darling. It doesn't make you feel guilty.
I'll be like,
See?
vibe, nice, cool, nice weather. Everybody's attentive on the movie. Love it. Gotta love New York.
Too many large bills.
Lo facciamo a doppio petto, come questo? Sì. Grazie. Arrivederci.
I, of course, enjoyed that movie. Really, really good. The vibes was good. There was a nice little cool breeze going through. And for those who want to try to catch the movies on the lawn, it's going to be available until, I believe, August the 12th. Like I said, the information will be in the description box, so you guys can check it out. And if you don't make it this summer, then definitely try to do it next summer. It's a yearly thing, and yeah, put it on your bucket list. It's really cool. Alright guys, so I'm gonna roam Manhattan for a little bit, and then after that we're gonna head home, and I'll catch you guys in the morning where we're gonna come back to Manhattan to watch a movie, and we're gonna see what that experience is like. Alright, catch you guys in the morning. Alright, good morning guys, and this is the next part of the video where we're gonna be going to the movies. We're going to the AMC theater. Yeah, I honestly prefer the outdoor movies, but today we're gonna be watching Bad Boys 3. Is it 3? Yeah, she don't want to be heard on the camera, man. Like, it'd be people. Your friend's gonna know that laugh. That's a fact. All right, we got Jade in the back. Say hi, Jade. Where's the smile? Where's the smile, Jade? All right, so we are heading to, I think this is Long Island?
Yes.
Long Island. She said yes, please. What the hell? We're heading to Long. We're heading to Long Island. I haven't explored that part before, so it's gonna be my very first time being out on that side, like doing any form of activity. So I'm gonna grab some food, hopefully, and then I'll catch you guys at the theater. Is it gonna be Manhattan or Long Island?
It's Long Island.
Oh.
I think it's Comac area, Jericho Turnpike.
All right, cool. So we're gonna go to that area. I thought I was gonna be going back to Manhattan, but I'm kind of glad we're going somewhere totally different. All right, I'll catch you guys there. All right, so we're doing a quick detour inside of the Stew Leonard's. I guess you Americans might know what Stew Leonard's is. For those who don't know, it's like, they say it's the Disney World of like the dairy. They sell a lot of stuff here, and it feels like a whole experience. So we're gonna be grabbing some ice cream. If you guys don't know, I love ice cream. I love ice cream so much. So we're gonna grab some ice cream. I'm gonna see if is it like organic stuff?
I believe so. If we can ask
Is it like organic?
the ice cream.
No. Cut. No joke of a lie. This is probably the best ice cream milkshake I've ever had. So good. We have arrived at the AMC, but of course, late. Okay, so this is what the other place never had, the smell of popcorn. The smell of popcorn just sets it off. You know that you're in the movies. Ugh, how excited you're. Wombat? This movie food look different. I see buffalo wings, I see burgers, yo. All right, guys, so I forgot to end the video, but my friend just said just now, oh, I bet today was better than yesterday, huh? You are a really special friend, but I'm sorry, yesterday was better. And I think even though this is a new movie, which I loved, check out Bad Boys 3, really good movie, nostalgic, cool, new additives. It was good all around. The theater was great, you know, reclining seats, comfortable, you know, people would deliver your food, all that jazz. But nothing beats the outdoors. Even though yesterday, I watched the movie before and it was crowded, I loved everything. And like I said, I think I said yesterday, the crowd yesterday was very civilized. You know what I'm saying? It was a lot of people, but even when the movie was done, no one was trampling over you. It was just like organized chaos. And I love stuff like that, just to see people on the outdoors enjoying their day. So we're going to figure out what Jade wants to eat. Because Jade is the boss. Like if she, bro, we won't survive without, you know, Jade's decisions. So anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And drop in the comments, let me know what is your preference when it goes to go into the movie. Catch you in the next one.